If you've spent any time shipping out priority mail stuff, which you absolutely have, if you are anything but the newest of resellers, you've probably encountered the problem where these free USPS boxes have trouble properly adhering when you just use this sticky strip. Let me see if I can show you. So this is regional rate box A, and I just pop that down, and this is actually good. This is a good seal, but sometimes it'll be a little wavy, or it won't properly seal, or you'll have to smash and tamp to get it to stick. So what I've started doing is adding a little bit of extra adhesion right here, just as a little bit of insurance. And there's two ways to do it. You can cut out a piece of tape, eBay tape or packing tape, and do it that way. Or you can do this other thing that, as far as I can tell, I'm the only person on YouTube that does this. You can use these free USPS priority mail stickers. This is just obviously for priority mail boxes, but you can get these rolls for free off the USPS website, and they work great. So every time I ship out an eBay or especially a Poshmark box, you just take a sticker and you just pop it here like that, and it's strong glue, and it's just as good as if you had put a piece of tape down. And obviously the tape doesn't cost a whole lot just for that much tape, but you know, every little bit adds up. This is entirely free, and this is much less time consuming than having to find the end of the tape, peeling it off, and then cutting it and adhering it. And you can get these in these little rolls, or you can get them in these big giant rolls. I have, I think, 3 of these that I've stockpiled. So just a little thing that might help expedite your shipping process a little bit, save you a little tiny bit of money. If you're interested in getting this stuff or similar free shipping stuff, I recommend maybe slowly starting to build up a little bit of a stockpile of this kind of thing that's going to last you a long time, because USPS is already making noises about rolling back their free shipping supplies program. They've said that they're taking into consideration all points of view, and they're opening a dialogue, which means eventually they're going to drop the hammer on the free shipping stuff. I don't see another potential outcome. It's just a matter of time of when that's going to happen, to my mind. Haven't looked into this story for a while, but this is free for now. One of these rolls will last you, I don't know, 2 years of reselling. So might want to jump on that if you're not doing it already. Hope it helps, guys. Thanks for watching.